in the past, we've just been playing around with the idea behind the mean value theorem. We were just playing around with the concept behind the mean value theorem. In this video, this here is a proper the proper version. Okay, so press pause and actually read this through for yourself, and then I will explain it step by step. Okay, so press pause and read it through. Okay, so what this is saying is that f of x must be continuous, meaning that the function between a and b here must be continuous, meaning it cannot have a gap, it cannot have a break in the function. So that's a condition placed on this. And also remember this closed interval here. Well, this notation here is basically saying this. Hang on. It's basically saying that x can be equal to a, and it can be equal to b as well. So this notation here can include the a itself, and it can include the b itself. This notation here it means x must be strictly greater than a and strictly less than b. So it cannot be a itself, and it cannot be b itself. This here you're not allowed to have a, and you're not allowed to have b. Down here it can include the a, and it can include the b. Okay, so hang on. So it must be continuous in this interval here, and the other requirement is that it needs to be differentiable, meaning that your function cannot be this. Okay, this is not differentiable, or something like this, vertical. So this here cannot be vertical like this. It has to be differentiable. This here is not differentiable. Okay, and hang on. So there must be a point C somewhere in between A and B. So in this here, when you see this notation here, it means that C cannot be dead on A itself. So when you see this notation here, it's basically saying, hang on, suppose this is your number line here, this is A, and this here is B. Whenever you see this here, it's basically saying this here. It's basically saying this. It cannot include the A, and it cannot include the B. Okay? So basically, that's pretty much it. Okay?